In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sales tax reports in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your sales tax information and how to customize it so it lines up with your filing requirements. Let's start on the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This is the central place where QuickBooks stores all of your financial reports, and it's where you'll go anytime you need an overview of how your business is doing, including your sales tax details. Once you're on the Reports page, you have a couple of ways to find the sales tax report you need. At the top, there's a search box labeled Find Report by Name. Click into that search field and begin typing Sales Tax Liability. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest reports that match. When you see Sales Tax Liability, go ahead and select it. This report is designed specifically to show how much sales tax you've collected and how much you owe to the tax agencies. If you prefer, you can also get to this report through the Taxes section. From the left navigation bar, select Taxes, then choose Sales Tax. On that screen, look for a Reports dropdown. In that dropdown, you'll find the Sales Tax Liability report as well. Either path will take you to the same place, so use whichever feels more natural for you. Now that you've opened the report, it's important to make sure the report period is correct. At the top of the report, you'll see a Report Period dropdown. Click on that and choose the date range that matches how often you file your sales tax. For example, if you file quarterly, pick the start and end dates for that quarter. If you file monthly, choose the specific month you're working on. Getting this right ensures that the numbers in the report match what you need to submit to your tax agency. If your business files sales tax with more than one agency, you can narrow things down further. Look for the tax agency dropdown near the top of the report. Open that list and select the specific agency you want to review. This is optional, but it's really helpful if you need to see what you owe to each agency separately. Once your date range and any tax agency filters are set, you're ready to generate the report. Click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the page and display your updated sales tax liability information based on the settings you chose. You can now review the totals, drill into details if needed, and use this report as the basis for your sales tax filing.